the Honorable Governor of Goa doing the honors. I think this is a fantastic gesture of protecting the environment, of nurturing the environment. That's the Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, followed by Dr. L. Murugan, the Minister of State. That's Shri Anupam Kher, who needs no introduction. That's Shri Shripad Naik. And Mr. Shekhar Kapoor. That's Shri Balakrishna, who's going to be felicitated.
Requesting all the dignitaries to please be seated. And ladies and gentlemen, since 1952, Iffi has been enthralling us with its eclectic selection of films, culturally rich and thoughtfully curated by distinguished industry experts. And the government of India has played a key enabling
on social media. It is quite a rage these days.
So on that note, Karan, let's now request Shri Sanjay Jaju, Secretary, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, to please take the podium for his welcome remarks. Let's welcome him with a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Give it up for Secretary, Minister of Information Broadcasting, Shri Sanjay Jaju ji.
Respected Governor of Goa, Madam Governor, Honorable Chief Minister Goa, Honorable Minister of State, Information and Broadcasting, Government of India, Honorable Ministers, Film Dignitaries, our Festival Director, ladies and gentlemen, it's indeed my honor and privilege to welcome all of you to this grand opening of Iffi, which is being tried out for the first time in the form of a carnival, which is going to celebrate the rich diversity of Indian cinema. Ladies and gentlemen, Iffi this year has many firsts. We have the largest collection of films coming in from close to 80 countries. We have films which are being premiered for the first time internationally. There are global premieres, there are national premieres, there are films which have made way into the competition section. We had the largest number of entries, close to 3,000 entries, and from which there are few films which are part of the competition section. We also have the AI film hackathon, and on the other side of the road we have the largest film bazaar called as the Waves Film Bazaar. So ladies and gentlemen, welcome to each one of you to this biggest round of the International Film Festival of India. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you, Sanjay sir. Thank you for giving us this platform. Can I please request Dr. L. Murugan, Honorable Minister of State for Information and Broadcasting and Parliamentary Affairs, Government of India, to take the podium for his remarks. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome him with a round of applause.
Honorable Governor of Goa, Madam Governor, Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawantji, Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Secretary Sanjay Jajuji, my colleague, Honorable Minister of State Sri Shripad Naik ji, Anupam Kher ji, Nandumuri Balakrishna ji, and this festival director Shekhar Kapoor ji, and esteemed guest Sadananda ji, Member of Parliament from this our Goa, and Miss Kim. Today we saw that she is coming from South Korea. She is here. She sung our Vande Mataram. We are celebrating Vande Mataram 150 year. She sung our full of Vande Mataram today. So she is also here. And ministers from Goa government, member of Legislative Assembly from Goa government, MPs from and dignitaries, film fraternities from various parts, ambassadors, and our film fraternity from south, west, east, north, all of our film fraternity here gathered, juries and steering committee members. Namaste to you all, Vanakkam. See, every year, Iffi is taking a dimension. Today we are seeing every year our Iffi was there in Syam Prasad Mukherjee Stadium with the cultural event. Then our Iffi starts. But this year, our Minister Sri Ashwin Vaishnavji and Chief Minister Goa, they thought this we have to do differently. That's why now the parade is going to start. This exhibits various states' cultural tradition and Goa's 12 talukas, various cultural activities, and from various states, tableaus and cinema houses, production houses, tableaus. That's all. We are eagerly waiting. That's all going to come here. Under the visionary leader, our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji, he speak about this cinema and media entertainment sector. Our Honorable Prime Minister mentioned that, I mentioned his quote, this is the time of dawn of orange economy in India, content, creativity and culture, the three pillars of orange economy. So while this year in May, we had a summit, World Audio Visual Entertainment Summit at Mumbai. The first time a big summit was there. Our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji inaugurated that summit. That summit seems that our creative economy, our world economy. So the Ministry of Information and Technology taking various steps to give the bridge to the new creators, new young minds, creative minds to the global level, the Waves Bazaar, giving a chances to them, and also the creators from various part of the country, they are going a global level reach towards the from the Waves as well as the Iffi. The Iffi 56th edition, while we celebrating, we have to remember our former Chief Minister Sri Manohar Parrikar ji. Sri Manohar Parrikar ji thought before that this Iffi one year was there in Chennai, 1 year was there in Bangalore, 1 year in Delhi. So various world centers where the world cinema festivals, it happens one place. For example, Busan Film Festival, Cannes Film Festival, like one place. Like that, the Goa is the permanent destination for the film festival. Our Manohar Parrikar ji took initiative, and our Chief Minister is continuously supporting the Pramod Sawant ji, Dr. Pramod Sawant ji. Every year, and see how he is enthusiastically, he is participating all the small meetings also. He is giving directions to the organizers and the Ministry of INB, our secretary and his team, everyone is gathered and they make this function is a success. We will enjoy from today and up to 28th, the International Film Festival, various master classes and felicitations and award ceremonies and the screenings, film bazaar and various activities going to take place. We will enjoy, we will take this opportunity to grow our cinema industry to further height. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, Dr. Murugan. Like you said, since 2004, Goa has become the permanent home of Iffi, 22 years and counting. May I now request Dr. Pramod Sawant, Honorable Chief Minister of the host state of Goa, to take the podium for his remarks. A round of applause, everyone.
at the opening ceremony of the 56th International Film Festival of India, Iffi 2025. Honorable Governor of Goa, Sri Pusapati Ashok Gajapati Rajuji, Mrs. Gajapati Rajuji, the Minister for the State Information, Broadcasting and Parliamentary Affairs, Dr. L. Muruganji, Minister for the State Power and Renewable Energy, Sri Sripad Naikji, the Member of Parliament, Sri Sadana Shet Tanawadi, the Member of the Lok Sabha from the Kanpur, Ashwitji, the Secretary of the Information and Broadcasting, Anupam Kherji, Manoj Joshiji, rest all the dignitaries on the dais, all the ambassadors reporting from the different countries, the Chief Secretary, Dr. Kandavlu, the Festival Director, Shekhar Kapoor, Mr. Damu Naik, the President of Bharatiya Janata Party, Vice Chairman, Madam Dilala Lobo, the Ministers from the Government of Goa, the MLAs from the Government of Goa, the legendary actors, Sri Balakrishnanji, and all other dignitaries on the dais. Once again, I welcome one and all those who have come specially for the International Film Festival 2025. समेस्त गोंयकारांक हांव परत एकदा येवकार दिता आसतना 2004तल्यान सुरवात जाल्ले इफी मनोहरभाई पर्रीकरांच्या कार्यकाळात सुरू जाल्ले इफी 2004 ते 2014 पर्यंत आमी गोंयचो प्रोग्रेस पळयता आनी इफीची डेव्हलपमेंट पळयता. 2014 इफी हो परमनंट व्हेन्यू गोंयाक डिक्लेअर केल्या उपरांत 2014 पासून आजपर्यंत इफीत जाल्ले बदल आणि गोंयांत जाल्ले बदल तुम्ही सगळ्या जाणांनी पळयल्या म्हणून प्राऊडली सांगता आसतना खूप बरें दिसता की इफीच्या बरोबर गोंयचोय डेव्हलपमेंट तितक्याच मोठ्या प्रमाणात जाल्या आणि आम्ही सगळेजाण आज पयले फावटी या इंटरनॅशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवलाच्या निमित्तान गोंयचे कल्चर गोंयची क्रिएटिव्हिटी आमी हांगा सेलिब्रेट करता. गोंयांतलो कल्चर आणि क्रिएटिव्हिटी दाखोवपा खातीर गोंयांतलो फ्लोड जाका आमी शिमग्या उत्सवाच्या निमित्तान मनयतात, गोंयांतल्या कार्निवलाच्या निमित्तान तयार केल्ले फ्लोट आज आमी इंटरनॅशनल मळाचेर दाखोवपा खातीर आमी आज तांकां हांगासर हाडल्यात. त्या खातीरच हांव परत एकदा समेस्त गोंयकारांचें स्वागत करता आनी गोंयांत आयिल्ल्या म्हज्या सगळ्या इंटरनॅशनल गेस्टांचें स्वागत करता. Goa has always believed in celebrity and creativity, and today the Goa once again celebrating the cinema, the most powerful storytelling in the world. The friends, people often ask why Goa. Let us talk about the why Goa is the perfect home for the Iffi. Why has the Iffi flourished here for more than 2 decades? The answer is simple. The Goa is ready to offer the world-class infrastructure, a tourism and hospitality industry trained to welcome the world, a festival vibes that reality showcase the culture, creativity and scenic beauty and efficiency in the state of Goa. This year Iffi we meet under the powerful theme, the convergence of creativity and technology. Cinema today, along with the being an art or the form of entertainment, is a growing industry, incorporates the innovation, artificial intelligence, visual effects, the VR, AR and digital platform and global collaborations. India is the forefront of these creativity revolutions, and Iffi continues to be the bridge between the Indian talent and global possibilities. I am honored to announce that Japan is the country of focus. The Japan and India, the deep cultural ties, the spiritual connections and a long history of the artistic exchange. Japanese cinema has inspired the generation across the world, and their participation enriches this festival in a special way. This year, the Iffi Mile returns from the ESG to Kala Akademi, filled with the cultural performance, the interactive film-related stalls, the music and live shows, the food courts and experiential zones, the public engagement events. Every evening, the musical show will welcome the crowd with the energy, showcasing the vibrancy. We are turning the Iffi into the celebrating the Goa's cultural diversity. This year, the Iffi shall also focus on the thrilling traditions of Carnival and Romtame as well. This performance shows the future of the top 10 groups of the Goa. We are ensuring our tradition artists recognition on the global stage, making sure our local heritage culture is highlighted. I am proud to mention that this year 2 Goan films, it is Claudia and the Pilot, have been selected for the gala premiere section of the prestigious Iffi 2025. We are proud of our Goan filmmakers whose stories, ideas and voices are reaching the global audience through Iffi. The 5 films have been selected by the distinguished jury chaired by the Sri P. Sheshadri in the Goa section. In Goa's director cut, the Zero Bulb, Halat and My Dad Invented Vada Pav. In Goa's producer cut, the Merarki by the Sea and the Ghar. And we congratulate all the Goan cast, crew, directors and producers. Your success is Goa's pride. Goa is today India's most preferred shooting destination. This is not only because of the Goa's being the scenic beauty, but it is the result of strong policy reforms like the film finance scheme up to the 50 lakhs for the A category films, the revised film shooting rules for faster permission, the single window clearance is under process, the support for the foreign production through national incentive schemes, the promotion at the film bazaar and international platforms. We are committed to making Goa the global film production hub. The Goa is already providing the targeted financial assistance to support the filmmakers in making the good cinema. We are reviving the more structured incentive models that match the global film destinations, because we want the filmmakers to choose Goa not just as a beauty but as the ease of work, efficiency and supportive system. I also would like to say that the Goans are once and make that festival truly specially. Our local artists, hospitality industry, the cultural group, youth organization all come together to make Iffi an unforgettable experience. It is a shared ownership that makes the Goa the soul of Iffi. Friends, the India is emerging as a global soft power, and under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji, and Indian cinema reaching at the international heights. The Iffi is now a platform where the Indian creators, producers and the storytellers meets the world. And Goa is proud to be the gateway for this global experience. Our commitment is clear. Make Goa as a creative capital of India. Strengthen the film infrastructure. Support Goan filmmakers. Bring the world cinema to Goa and promote the Goa as an international filming destination. Build a year-round filmmaking ecosystem. Today, every filmmaker, artist, producer, the cinema lovers present here, Goa welcomes you. We invite you to explore our state, shoot your film here, collaborate with the local talent and create new story. Goa is not just a venue. Goa is an experience. Goa is your partner in a creativity. As we inaugurate Iffi 2025, let us celebrate the power of storytelling, the unity of culture, the future of filmmaking, and Goa's growing role in India's global cinematic journey. Let us together make this edition, Iffi 2025, is most memorable one yet. I welcome everyone to the Goa's 56th International Film Festival of India. Once again, welcome one and all. Thank you. Jai Bharat.
Thank you so much, sir. Can I please request our Honorable Dr. L. Murugan, sir, to please step forward as we felicitate Sri N. Balakrishna for his cinematic journey. Can we please also request once again Dr. Pramod Sawant to please join us in felicitating the journey of Sri N. Balakrishna in Indian cinema over the last 50 years.
A round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, N. Balakrishna, Indian actor, producer, filmmaker and Padma Bhushan awardee, being honored and felicitated for completing 50 glorious years in the cinema industry. Over a career spanning more than 5 decades, he has acted in over 100 films, known for his roles in fiction dramas, mythological films and action movies. Some of his notable films include Gautami Putra Satakarni, his 100th film where he played a historical ruler, as well as Narsimha Naidu, Simha and Legend, for which he has won several awards, being felicitated on the dais.
Fantastic. So please say a few words.
It's called the Bus of Tarek Window. For which I am the chairman for 15 years. It's a trust. Yeah. No,
Please say a few words. I want to know from the horse's mouth.
okay, fine. I've told the Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Mr. Pramod Sawantji, and our His Excellency the Governor of Goa, Pusabati Rdxgoa Garu, and our Minister of State, Information Broadcasting, Thiru Anna Murugan, and rest Mr. Sanjay, everyone. I thank everyone for you to inviting me to this Iffi 56th celebrations. And as I told you like before, happy about it that I am born to an illustrious Vagrata Sampakru, Vagrata Pratipati, Jagatapidru Vande, Bharati Parmeshwaram. Nagaitra Paramantra Namatu Paradevata, Nahare Bharatastrata, Namruta Padgam Param. As far as Parthavya, Radhurupatar Bhakti Guruna, Santra Mamsi Satram Tasmai Sarvanda Murti Putri. So, I'm very lucky to be born to those parents, because one, I told you, Mr. N.T. Ramarao, who was an actor and then a politician, who changed the total condition of the country itself, not the Telugu, then the combined state, Andhra Pradesh. Okay, that's, and then as a following the footsteps of my dad, my constituency is Hindupur, near Bengaluru, Karnataka, which falls under Andhra Pradesh, in Anantapuram Zilla. This is the third time I won. My dad was also elected 3 times from Hindupur. Okay. And the third one, brother, which I wanted to expose, is that I also run a cancer hospital. It was started 20 years back. That was my mother expired of cancer, and she wanted that even the poor has to afford for cancer treatment with international standards. So that's where my dad, after death, he started the hospital, Basavatarakam Indo-American Cancer Hospital and Research Institute in Hyderabad, which is now one of the leading cancer hospitals in the country. Since 15 years I am the chairman. Before me there were many illustrious chairmen and board members. And through that, it's a trust, we do free service. And also for white card holders we give concessions. Even without white card who are there, we also give them concessions. We have all the latest equipment like robotic surgery, PET scan, everything. You name it and it is there. So that's what I wanted to also remember my mother, and also mainly the support of my wife, Mrs. Vasundhara Devi. Where are you? Hello. What's her name? Her support, without her I wouldn't have.
Round of applause, everyone.
And also the support of my family, both cinema and politics. Because my eldest son-in-law is Mr. Nara Lokesh, who is the IT and Education Minister of Andhra Pradesh, who is the son of Chandrababu Naidu. And my second son-in-law is MP from Visakhapatnam, where Google is coming. So, like that, support both wise, politically and cinema-wise. So I thank everybody for recognizing my, I don't say talent, it's a never-ending story. So it goes on. I'm just 50 years old, into the film industry. So don't ask me for original age, okay? Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, N. Balakrishna.
Thank you so much. Give it up for N. Balakrishna, ladies and gentlemen. And like he has an institution for cancer, I request everyone, चाहे वो कलाकार हो, चाहे वो कोई भी इंसान हो, अपने fellow human beings के लिए अगर आप कुछ भी कर पाएं, I think that will contribute. Moving on, can we please request Shri P. Ashok Gajapati Raju sir, Honorable Governor of Goa, to please say a few words, and I promise you we will start with the parade after this.
Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant ji, Honorable Minister for State for Information and Broadcasting, Government of India, Shri L. Murugan ji, Honorable Ambassadors, Member of the Jury, distinguished personalities from the entertainment industry from India and across the world, enthusiastic delegates of the festival, and my dear goers. It is my privilege to attend the open ceremony of the 56th edition of IFFI 2025 in our beautiful state of Goa. I am informed that this is the 22nd consecutive year that Goa has hosted this prestigious festival. This also happens to be my first experience of IFFI, and I am delighted to be part of it. This year, the festival brings together 270 films from 84 countries, offering a rich blend of world cinema, Indian cinema, and emerging talent. It is heartening to see that IFFI continues to serve as a meaningful platform for creative exchange, new collaborations, and the celebration of cinematic excellence. I would also like to place on record my appreciation for the efforts of the Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant and his team. Under his leadership, Goa has continued to strengthen its position as a vibrant and welcoming home for IFFI, ensuring that the festival grows in scale, participation, and public engagement every year. I am also reminded of my former ministerial colleague and friend, Sri Manohar Parekar, who brought IFFI to Goa in 2004. His work during the very first edition ensured that Goa became the permanent venue. Given the cosmopolitan character of the state, the cultural richness of its people, and its excellent global connectivity, it is natural that film lovers look forward to IFFI in large numbers every year. I am told that for the first time the festival is opening with a cultural float parade instead of the traditional gala ceremony. This is a welcome initiative as it allows our artistic community to showcase the diverse cultural heritage of Goa and brings the festival closer to the people in a refreshing new format. IFFI has always been more than a film festival. It is a meeting ground for ideas, stories, and creative minds from around the world. It encourages young filmmakers, honors cinematic achievements, and reinforces India's position in a global hub for film and creative industries. I extend my warm wishes to the organizers, participants, and delegates. May this edition of IFFI be memorable, meaningful, and inspiring for all. I extend my heartfelt thanks to all those who have encouraged this festival. God bless us all. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, His Excellency. And ladies and gentlemen, what makes Iffi truly distinctive is its inclusive cultural spirit. The festival mirrors India's wider ethos of Ek Bharat, Shresth Bharat, as it brings together diverse creators, audiences, and artistic traditions.
Right, Karan, before we move forward, we request the media to clear the way for the cultural troupe.
Requesting all my friends in the
clear
media
the way.
to please clear the way. And our audience, do you remember Anupam sir's code word? Anupam sir, एक बार please अपना इशारा कर दीजिए जो आपने code word set किया था. For those who have come late, it is a code word when Anupam sir, जब अपना सर खुजाएंगे, वो वहाँ ताली बजाएंगे. So everyone claps together on my 1, 2, 3.
I once again request all media persons to please clear the way as the cultural troops will start performing. Please don't get hurt. Take care of yourselves, media persons, as the cultural troops will move ahead with full force and momentum that you see. We are now going to witness a living, breathing celebration of India's soul. This grand synchronized showcase brings together 124 talented artists from 16 states across India. They represent the rich and rhythmic heartbeat of our nation. From Gusadi dance of Telangana to Sambalpuri dance of Orissa to the energetic bihu of Assam, every step, every rhythm and every swirl weaves the story of unity in diversity.
And in that spirit, ladies and gentlemen, let's now welcome all together Bharat Ek Sur, a unified folk symphony. Give it up for Bharat Ek Sur.
हिमाचल से गुजरात तक,
कश्मीर से कन्याकुमारी,
जननी भारत है हमारा, ये भारत देश हमारा।
वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। वंदे मातरम, 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 वंदे मातरम।
Fantastic! A standing ovation to this stunning and spectacular performance, ladies and gentlemen, and a grand salute to Vande Mataram. Ek Bharat, Shresth Bharat. This truly was India in motion. A visual poem of sound and color, a tribute to our heritage, our unity and our pride. इसलिए कहते हैं भारत एक सुर, one India, one rhythm, ladies and gentlemen. एक बार जोरदार तालियां फिर से spectacular performance के लिए.
What a wonderful performance that was. The troupe that just performed has also composed the song Bharat Ek Sur.
Kya
Let's
baat.
put our hands together, everyone, for such a spectacular performance by the artists.
Fantastic. And now can I please request the dignitaries to please come forward for the official flag off of the opening parade. The moment that we all have been waiting for. Requesting our dignitaries to please join us on stage as we flag off the opening parade. As the flag rises today, ladies and gentlemen, it symbolizes not just commencement of Iffi, but a flag off to the spirit of creativity and cinematic excellence that India proudly shares with the world.
What a historic moment, flagging off of the grand Iffi parade that marks the start of the 56th edition of the International Film Festival of India. The world is watching. India is taking pride in its culture, in its cinema, as Iffi kicks off in a very different avatar, a new avatar, unlike what we have seen in the last several decades.
Fantastic. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, Iffi officially begins. Come on, everyone. Let the stories unfold, let dreams take flight, and let the world witness the magic of cinema like never before. And now, while I rush inside for the opening film, over to my friend Munmun.
Thank you, Karan. So let's get started with the parade. First up is Triveni Kala Sangh from our very own Goa. This one shows the culture of Goa. And the second one, closely following it, is Alexino da Silva from Goa. It shows the Carnival of Goa. We request all the dignitaries to please be seated and watch as the parade moves in its grandeur right in front of our eyes. What you are going to see is Goan Rom Tamil. It is a traditional Goan folk performance usually seen during the Shigmo festival in the month of March. This one is going to be accompanied by rhythmic beats of instruments like dole, tasha, kasali and others. It celebrates Goan culture, community spirit and festive joy. Goa Reds, roll it out.
All right, this is the opening ceremony of International Film Festival 2025. Attire that you're wearing, ma'am. And how are you feeling here at Iffi opening ceremony?
You know, film festivals are very, very special, but this time it's totally different and very interesting because we saw so many cultural dances in their various elaborate get-ups, and of course all the people connected with the Iffi are here. All the effort and hard work which goes into putting together such a big and international event. I'm happy to be here, mainly as representative of CINTA. Of course, I am an actor for the last 40-some plus years, but as the president of Cine and Television Artists, I feel it's a special responsibility and a pleasure and an honor to be here. And I'm waiting to see some really good films.
Absolutely. Any of my red carpet is incomplete if I don't meet Poonam Dhillon, ma'am. We always love to hear, right, ma'am? We always...
You are there at all important occasions, so it's a pleasure to see you.
Yes, and I think also, Poonam ma'am, I would say, you being a CINTA president, it's a huge responsibility. And of course, it's an international film festival happening here. So what are you taking from here? What are the things you want to share with all the aspiring actors out there and pointers that you would want to share with people out there?
You know, I mainly came with this in mind, that I should be able to express to the government representatives who are here the problems and the issues faced by some of our actors. Of course, see actors, we see glamour, we see money, we say beauty, but there are also lots of number who don't have all of that. The top cream, maybe 50, 100, 200 may have that, but in our CINTA we have like 9,000 members. So down there's so many who suffer a lot of issues, and I'm so keen that their voice and their problems be heard and addressed and resolved, all of it.
And इस बार ओपनिंग सेरेमनी में परेड जो है वो हो रही है. I'm sure आपने भी उसका लुत्फ उठाया होगा. Like all our audiences out there, what do you have to say about this unique step that Iffi has taken this year?
I think you can't keep repeating the same thing, it becomes monotonous. So it's a wonderful change. It's very different, and especially for our international people who have come here, they get to see the culture, diverse culture of India, the vibrant culture of India, and the beauty of our costumes, our get-ups and all of that, and our different forms of dancing.
On that note, thank you so much. Parade की बात की है, तो let's go to parade live happening at the opening ceremony. See you there.
Everyone, मैं आपको बता दूं, the energy is to be seen, to be believed right now. ये ढोल ताशे जो मेरे पीछे बज रहे हैं, ऑलरेडी कार्निवल परेड की शुरुआत हो चुकी है और आज की जो शाम है, हजारों की भीड़ है मेरे आसपास और इनके बीच में मैं खड़ी हूँ. It's an absolutely magical moment at the inaugural ceremony of the 56th Iffi और डांस परफॉर्मेंसेस हो रहे हैं और उनके पीछे तैयार है 24 फ्लोट्स, 24 झांकियाँ अलग अलग प्रोडक्शन हाउसेस की गोवा की ओर से, लेकिन उसके साथ ही याद रखिएगा वेव्स OTT की भी एक झांकी आ रही है. अब से कुछ देर पहले तेलुगु सुपरस्टार फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में अपने 50 वर्ष पूरे करने के बाद डॉक्टर नंदमूरी बालाकृष्णन को यहाँ पर एक बहुत खास सम्मान से नवाजा गया और उनकी आने वाली फिल्म अखंडा 2 की भी एक स्पेशल फ्लोट यहाँ पर आने वाली है. सो एवरीवन, मुझे लगता है जितने भी आप लोगों ने आज तक फिल्म फेस्टिवल देखे हैं, शायद ये जो एक डिप्लोमेटिक वे का फिल्म फेस्टिवल है, जहाँ पर सेलिब्रिटीज़ के साथ ही एक आम शख्स जिसे केवल फिल्मों से प्यार है, जिसे केवल कला से प्यार है, उसके लिए ये मौका है कि वो यहाँ आए और इस एनर्जी का हिस्सा बने, इस पूरा ये जो एक आर्ट की वाइब यहाँ पर तैयार हुई है उसका हिस्सा बने. और मुझे ये भी लगता है कि हमारे जितने गणमान्य सारे मेहमान मंच पर बैठे थे, कितने ही उन्होंने फिल्म फेस्टिवल अटेंड किए होंगे ऑडिटोरियम्स में बैठकर, लेकिन उनके लिए भी ये बहुत बड़ा मौका होगा आज पब्लिक के बीच में बैठना और इस एंटरटेनमेंट को अपनी आंखों से देखना, जनता के प्यार को, जनता के हुजूम को अपनी नज़रों से देखना और सच में इस समय इसका अनुभव करना अपने आप में एक ऐतिहासिक पल से कम नहीं है। शोर यहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा है, लेकिन इससे भी ज़्यादा मैं आपसे वादा करती हूँ शोर बढ़ने वाला है, क्योंकि जैसे जैसे यहाँ से फ्लोट्स निकलेंगी ऑडियंस में इस समय हर्ष, उल्लास, एनर्जी लेवल बहुत हाई है। लोग बैठे हैं यहाँ पर, खड़े हैं, जिसको जहाँ जगह मिल रही है वो यहाँ पर एक कोना पकड़कर बैठा है। तो चलिए जरा देखते हैं इतनी भीड़ से वापस रेड कारपेट की ओर और देखते हैं वहाँ पर क्या चल रहा है।
I mean, once they start.
are live at the 56th International Film Festival of India from Goa. I have someone very special on the red carpet with me, Mr. Guy, representing the Israel Embassy, and he is here to witness the magic of Iffi and show his love for cinema. What do you have to say about this, Mr. Guy?
Hi, Akshata, thank you for having me. I want to say that I've been living in India for 2 years now, and I'm just in love with Indian media. Bollywood has caught me by storm. I'm just so excited to be here and experience this for myself. And, just looking for opportunities for collaborations to bring people and cultures together to have work from India and Israel work together. I'm excited.
Wow, we're definitely looking forward to more such collaborations. Thank you so much.
Thanks for having me. Thanks.
Thank you. Oh, that was amazing. Thank you. Thank you so much.
We have this artist Shubhangi from film Tanvi being premiered in DD. Are we good to go? All right, 3, 2, 1. This is opening ceremony of International Film Fest 25, ladies and gentlemen, and we have this one beautiful actress who has been launched by our very own veteran actor Anupam Kher, Tanvi. Bhangi as Tanvi, and I think that's a compliment for any actor, any artist. So many congratulations, because it's your first time Iffi and your film is being premiered here. How are you feeling?
Yeah, it's amazing.
Goa leading all the way. We are seeing Triveni Kalasan from a very own Goa. This one shows the culture of Goa.
Feeling. Actors, people from all walks of life, and people from all different parts of the world. So I am excited, looking forward to
So I think Anupam sir is also here, and I think it's a pleasure to actually. All right, now that is a moment. We were talking about Anupam sir. Sir, हम मुझे लगता है 100 नहीं, 1000 नहीं, 10,000 नहीं, 1 करोड़ साल जिएंगे sir. Warm welcome to opening ceremony of Iffi.
As long as I look the same in the company. Novel idea.
There you can see the parade is in full swing now, as the sun has set here in Goa, but the lights are brightly shining on the parade, the cultural parade that's happening here at the International Film Festival of India, depicting India's diverse and vibrant culture. We saw some floats from Goa depicting Goa's culture in the form of Rom Tamil and more. And there you can see depiction of the Buddha. Lots of people have gathered here. They are enjoying the exciting parade. Well, that is shooting of a film. So there is more than just what you can see there on the float. The director looks very engrossed in shooting that particular scene. And looks like all the performers, the actors in the scene are also giving it their best shot. So there are several floats that are participating in this parade here. have a few studios also that are being represented. Film studios, that is. And we have different states also that are participating in this parade, depicting their culture, depicting India's vibrant culture from different states. There is Uttar Pradesh, there is Bihar, there is Haryana, there is of course Maharashtra, there is also Punjab, and there is also Rajasthan. Let's see all the floats, and there you can see, that gives you an idea of the proportion, the size, the mega size. You can see that building in the background, and clearly considerable effort has gone into making those floats here, the tableaus. Mahavatar Narsimha, the animation film that became very, very popular earlier this year. So that float is depicting the shooting of Mahavatar Narsimha, which was an animation film. But again, as I said, there's so much effort gone into making that. There you can see so many colors, the lights. It's an absolutely spectacular view here. And since it is the International Film Festival of India, so cinema is also a part of the floats, as we saw with that depiction of Mahavatar Narsimha, which was a sleeper hit at the box office. And of course we are going to see many, many more floats after the formal inauguration. There you can see the dignitaries, Dr. Pramod Sawant sitting alongside the Honorable Minister of State for Information and Broadcasting, Dr. L. Murugan, and the Honorable Governor of Goa is also seated with them. And there you go. So for all those who have just joined us, yes, that's Mahavatar Narsimha. That's a very nice replica of what we saw in the film. And good to see that celluloid is still alive and kicking on that float. Nowadays, of course, as time has gone by, everybody shoots on digital. It's convenient to shoot on digital rather than on film. It's nice to see a depiction of the celluloid film. And there you can see there's no space left there at all. Crowds have thronged to witness this cultural parade, which is happening here in the capital of the state of Goa, in Panjim. In this part of the world, the light remains till about 6:15, but now the sun is set. But the lights on the floats are taking full effect. He seems to be enjoying that one. He seems to be mesmerized, that little boy. So we've seen people of all age groups, young and old, who've come here to witness this cultural parade at the opening of the 56th International Film Festival of India. And you can see a slice of Goan life. In the center you can see a poster of probably the most famous Konkani film ever, called Natsuya Kumpasar. And you can see some popular Hindi films. And along with cinema, you can also see a depiction of Goan life. Agriculture is one of the mainstays here. As I said, people from all age groups have gathered here to witness this cultural parade. Well, that's a mix of what one can say, Goan life and Bollywood. Cinema is something that we all love in India. Whether it's regional cinema, whether it's mainstream cinema, whether it's Hollywood or Bollywood films. And that float is also giving a message about greenery, about the environment. projectionist, he's not the director of that film. And there you can see, you usually get to see all this during the carnival in Goa, which happens in the month of February or thereabouts, where lots of floats depicting a slice of life, sometimes even contemporary issues, important issues about protecting the environment, about road safety and much more. All those people who gathered from outside Goa, they're getting an opportunity to see a slice of what the Goan carnival is like. That's a character that all kids will recognize, or kids who have grown up now will also recognize. It's Chota Bheem, the one and only Chota Bheem. One of the most popular characters among kids. One of the most popular animation series in the country. He hails from Dholakpur, and along with Chota Bheem we also saw his best friend Chutki. And I'm sure the kids will be absolutely delighted to see Chota Bheem and Chutki there. बच्चों को बहुत 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 ज़्यादा पसंद है. Ramcharan's upcoming film, Peddi, one of the most anticipated action dramas that's coming out in 2026. It also features Janhvi Kapoor in 2026. It also features Janhvi Kapoor. This is the second major collaboration in Telugu cinema. It has the music of the one and only A.R. Rahman. So Peddi, that's releasing in March 2026. As we mentioned earlier, there are floats depicting culture, depicting Goan slice of life, and of course depicting upcoming films and studios as well. See, the streets of Panjim are lit up. There's lots of trees here on the Kampal Promenade, making it a fantastic view. And now that the floats are lit up, the lights have come into full effect. There you can see, that's the view of the river Mandavi, with lots of boats there in varying sizes. For those who've just tuned in, this is the grand opening parade which is coming to you live from the capital city of Panjim in Goa, where the 56th International Film Festival of India was just formally inaugurated a few moments ago. And the opening film, The Blue Trail, will be screened later this evening. There you can see the lights that I was talking about and how beautiful the street looks, the Kampal Promenade. The small bridge that you can see on the left is the Yog Setu. And again, music, which is another integral part of not just our culture but also of our cinema. Very, very popular attraction here in Goa. Along with the carnival is also the Shigmotsav that usually happens just around Holi in the month of March or so, which is also very, very popular and very, very colorful as well, much like what we are seeing this evening. Once again, that's a view of Panjim And that's the Mandavi River. And on the other side is the suburbs of Panjim. Two more familiar characters, Motu और पतलू. मोटू और पतलू को कौन नहीं जानता. इनकी कॉमिक बुक्स हमने बचपन में पढ़ी थी. और मोटू पतलू कितने सालों से सबको एंटरटेन कर रहे हैं. That's another flow that's coming away. You can see the dignitaries there on your screen. Dr. L. Murugan, Shri Sanjay Jaju, Dr. Pramod Sawant. And that's Akhanda, 3D film that's coming up. Music by Thaman, and it promises to be a action-packed film with lots of visual world building and special effects. And it's marking the return of the legendary character. And a few horror films there. That's Munja, Stree. We also saw Stree 2. That came out last year, actually. So lots of studios are also participating here in this opening parade of the International Film Festival of India. स्त्री देखी सबने, स्त्री 1, स्त्री 2, उसके बाद मुंजा आई, अभी कुछ दिन पहले थामा भी आई थी. मीडिया भी उसी फ्रैंचाइज से है. Built up a horror universe. And back to some Goan folk dances. Goa is a melting pot for different cultures here, and that's what makes it unique and so vibrant. That's another fantastic view of the city from the river Mandavi, as that drone flies closer towards the venue of the old GMC complex. As I mentioned at the beginning, this is Asia's oldest medical hospital building, which now hosts the International Film Festival of India since 2004. ये आप देख सकते हैं गोवा की संस्कृति. ये ऐसे डांस और ऐसे जो फ्लोट्स है वो कार्निवल के समय बहुत देखने मिलते हैं. गोवा का कार्निवल काफ़ी मशहूर है, काफ़ी गानों में भी यूज़ हुआ है. जो पुराना गाना था रंबा हो, that was shot during the carnival in Goa. There have been a bunch of other films as well that were shot during the carnival. Another interesting facet about this old GMC building, which I was talking about earlier, is Singham has been prominently shot here. Drishyam was shot here. Singham का जो पुलिस स्टेशन है वो इसी बिल्डिंग में बनाया गया था, और दृश्यम में भी ये बिल्डिंग यूज हुई थी. And there you can see the beautifully decorated city of Panjim. It's decked up completely for this International Film Festival of India, the 56th edition. one of the oldest festivals in the world, and the oldest in Asia for sure. It started back in 1952, and since 2004 it has found a permanent home here in the city of Panjim in the state of Goa. Kepe Cinematic Parade. Kepe is a town in southern Goa, South Goa, more towards the hinterland. And that's a confirmation what you can see on your screen. The opening ceremony of Iffi 2025, which you are watching live on Doordarshan. And all these floats, they are depicting cinema, they are depicting culture. Some of them are also giving a social message, as we often see during the Carnival Parade. And you can watch it live on DD National DD Bharati and of course on Waves OTT. Make no mistake about that, that's a float from Punjab. A little bit of Bhangra, a little bit of Gidda. The traditional folk dance from Punjab. That's in fact from Haryana there. I'm sure we'll see the Punjab float also in action soon. It was No Dandi Ka Bijna. And that's of course the National Film Development Corporation, NFDC. This year commemorates the 50th year of the foundation of NFDC, that has given us so many memorable films over the years. There you can see Jaane Bhi Do Yaro, the cult film directed by the late Kundan Shah. There are also Lunchbox, which had an involvement with NFDC, which became popular across the world. And so many great films have come from the NFDC stable over the years. The parallel cinema that happened in India in the 70s and 80s, when it was at its peak, was primarily thanks to the National Film Development Corporation. And now of course NFDC is also the host of the International Film Festival of India. That's a stunning tableau of the NFDC, showcasing some of the films that they've done over the years. Kepe Boys. Kepe, as I mentioned, from South Goa. It's a rather big camera, and the size of cameras has reduced drastically over the years. And now of course films are also being shot on phones. You can attach extra lenses to it. That's Nasir Saab, the popular actor. Primarily from South, but he's acted in many Bollywood films as well, many Hindi films, and played some memorable roles in them. And next to Shri Nasir is Mrs. Delilah Lobo, the chairperson of the Entertainment Society of Goa, the nodal body involved with Iffi. Goan Konkani film shoot. That's what you can see on your screen.
We hope everyone is enjoying the Iffi parade, one float after the other. So much culture, so much
I must say that must be a Goan film shoot from the 70s and 80s, maybe at 90s at best. Now, of course, everything has gone digital. And that's once again depicting a Goan slice of life. Self-sufficient living, drawing water from the well, growing your own food, your vegetables, living amongst greenery, and far away from the hustle bustle of the city. large section of the crowd. Nice to see some youngsters also participate in this opening parade at Iffi. They have a cameraman also following them. They're dancing.
To follow. Let's keep moving forward. Let's show some momentum. Let's move forward. Those in stand 1 and stand 2 may please move to Inox to watch the opening film of the International Film Festival of India, The Blue Trail. Forward. Those in stands 1 and 2 may kindly move to Inox to watch the opening film of 56th Iffi, The Blue Trail. Next is Hombale Movie Makers. Hombale Films is one of India's leading production houses known for creating powerful, larger-than-life stories that are rooted in culture and emotion. Today's tableau celebrates Karnataka and its rich cinematic heritage that has reached different parts of the world. Hombale Films right in front of your eyes. This one is from Ultra Entertainment. It honors a legend whose cinema shaped emotion, style and storytelling like no one else. The iconic Guru Dutt, ladies and gentlemen, as we mark his 100th birth anniversary, please welcome the tableau that celebrates a century of the genius. Guru Dutt, the filmmaker who became a feeling, by Ultra Entertainment. Ultra Entertainment is honoring Guru Dutt. Guru Dutt being honored on his 100th birth anniversary. The iconic Guru Dutt, a legend. That's not all. This is another note from Ultra Entertainment. This one shows Ultra's digital evolution from a legacy content powerhouse to a modern digital entertainment company. It features the launch of multiple OTT platforms catering to regional and Hindi audiences, covering films and music. Ultra Entertainment with two floats right in front of our eyes. Up next, Platoon 1 Films, The Pride of Odisha is here. Experience the soul of this land on the big screen. Platoon 1 Films, India's leading independent film studio, steps into the vibrant world of Odia cinema with its newest presentation, Bindu Sagar. The film will release in cinemas across the world in early 2026, becoming the first Odia film to have a global theatrical release. Maitri Movie Makers is up next, celebrating 10 impactful years of Maitri Movie Makers, one of the most happening production houses in the country today. Over the next 5 years, Maitri plans to roll out 50 films. Maitri plans to roll out 50 films with top stars and top directors, an unmatched vision in Indian cinema. Up next is Let's keep moving forward. Let's give space to more floats. Let's not lose momentum. The Iffi parade, well and truly on. Indian culture being represented in its myriad forms, in the forms of folk dances, in the form of cinema from different corners of the country. This float presents Andhra Pradesh's thriving film industry, Tollywood. Let's keep moving forward fast. The floats, please keep moving forward. Let's do it with some momentum, some quickness, speed. Let's keep moving forward. Allow the floats to move forward. Please clear the way. Allow the floats to move forward. Look at the excitement. Everyone is riveted to the places where they are, but we have to allow the floats to move forward. Ladies and gentlemen, are you enjoying the magic of Tollywood? The dances, the dialogues, the depictions on the float. Very favorite stars from Tollywood on the red carpet. As the float moves on, what a celebration of Indian culture and cinema this has been. History being written, Iffi, the International Film Festival of India, taking off with a historic parade. Let's give them all a round of applause. What a wonderful, spectacular performance by various floats. The Iffi parade is still on. More floats are expected anytime now. We know you are waiting with bated breath to see some more colors of India. This one is from Tollywood. You can see Andhra Pradesh's rich cultural heritage, its stunning landscapes, the greenery, the vibrant tourism. It's a popular destination for visitors. It has scenic beaches, it has majestic temples. Andhra Pradesh has something for everyone. But believe me, everyone, there are more floats expected, more magic of Indian culture and cinema is yet to unfold right in front of our eyes. But for those of you who are interested in watching the opening film on stands 1 and 2, you could move to Auditorium 1 of Inox to watch the opening film, The Blue Trail. Remember, it was awarded the Silver Bear Award in Berlinale 2025 by Gabriel Mascaro, a Brazilian auteur or director. We're all standing by. More magic yet to unfold, more floats, more diversity yet to unfold. We've seen Bharat Ek Sur, cultural diversity. Now we are seeing cinematic diversity. We are seeing the diversity in terms of tourism, in terms of all that is special in various states, the specialities of various states right in front of our eyes. Every state taking honor in what they represent, a matter of pride for all Indians. Iffi is well and truly on. Day 1 of Iffi started with the Iffi Grand Opening Parade and the opening festival. So much more to happen over the next 8 days. There's going to be so much Indian cinema, international cinema, international celebrities, Indian classics have been restored. They are going to be screened. So many films in the Indian panorama section, both feature films and non-feature films. There is representation from across the country, from across the world. There are big names. There are those who are aspiring to make it big in the world of cinema as well, and what hand-holding being given to them for yet another year. There's Creative Minds of Tomorrow, where people from the corners of the country, from every nook and corner, have been given the opportunity to produce and to win awards. And this Iffi is also very much in tune with the times. It is not just about cinema, it is also about how cinema is produced, VFX, visual effects, gaming, animation.
ऑल राइट एवरीवन, तो मेरे पीछे आप देख रहे हैं, आज चाहे गोवा में इस दिन का सूर्य अस्त हो गया हो, लेकिन फिल्मों का सूर्य अब गोवा में 8 दिन लगातार उदय रहेगा। और इसी रंगारंग इनॉग्रेशन के साथ, इसी रंगारंग ओपनिंग के साथ आज एक अलग ही जलवा बना, एक अलग ही माहौल, नॉन स्टॉप। जिस तरह से यहाँ पर झांकियों की एक बारात सी निकली, हमारे बहुत से तारे आज स्टेज पर थे, लेकिन तारे आज ज़मीन पर भी थे। और देखिए कितने सारे मेहमान यहाँ मेरे पास हैं। और देखिए मैं इनसे बात करना चाहूँगी, बच्चे को लेकर खड़ी हैं, तो मुझे बताइए, आप पहले तो ये बताइए कितनी देर से यहाँ पर खड़े हैं बेबी को लेकर, कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस?
बहुत अच्छा लगा, पहली बार मैं यहाँ देखने आई हूँ और हम कम से कम 2 घंटे से यहाँ खड़े हुए हैं देखने के लिए।
लेकिन मज़ा आया, एनर्जी थी एनवायरनमेंट में?
बिल्कुल, बहुत एनर्जी थी, बहुत मज़ा आया।
मोमेंट, सबसे यादगार पल क्या रहा आज का?
मैम, गोवा का कल्चर मुझे देखने को मिला और मैं पंजाब से हूँ, तो ये जो फेस्ट था फर्स्ट टाइम अटेंड किया, तो एक अलग एनर्जी देखने को मिली जो बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे।
तो चलिए इसी तरह हम अभिनंदन करते हैं आपका गोवा में, और आप फिल्में एंजॉय करते रहे। थैंक यू सो वेरी मच।